Ligatho cia mwanya mwirori wa kiheotv ni kunyitana na ithwe ni utukungi mwega na muhoreru twako tukinyitana nawe ari tariki 13 mweri-ini wa Mugaa kunyite ugeni thiini wa Kiheo Kabiru Thaa Imwe nijitagwo WAIRIMU WANJIRU nake mutwathiriri na njira ya ciiko etagwo Sharon mwari wa gicuhi na tukiambiriria mohoro maitu ni ati woyani wa arutwo a grade ya 10 wigirite thiko ya keri na urugamiriri wa thukuru wa Kisumu kana wa airitu wa Kisumu ukigite uricemba kwa mukira arutwo aria marakorwo ati ni maraigira thiini wa grade yo kuona nginyagia riu makire ma arutwo 300 nio moyetwo. Oho Professor Humphrey Obora akiugite uria ni murugamiriri wa African Talent Campus akiugite thirikari ni akorirwo kihanyukia ucenjia mutaratara wa githomo na nikio gukoretwo na mutukanio munene.
Just to go. Yeah, but today, you know. We have registered over 250 by the gate. They already have the tickets. And we have admitted over 100 who are done with the admission. They are just waiting to be taken to their dormitories at the end of the day. From the admission process, there is no hitch. We've only come across one where a student downloaded a letter for Kisumu girls, but we could not find her name in the system. Instead, it appeared in another school, but I've already informed our directors. They are working on it.
Just not an uproar, but a system failure, which we've talked about for such a long time. Is a reality sinking and the truth being unveiled. The idea of ranking, sorting, exclusion is now pretending to give way to inclusion, talent, competence, and inclusion. That is exactly what is going on in the Kenyan education system. If you have a decorated failure which is disguised as success, this must come to you ultimately. The truth is with us today in the Kenyan education system, that our academic systems were designed to eliminate. So now the few are celebrating, the masses are silenced.
Tugitigana na icio ni ati mawakiri handu maruma ni mokirire na njira nene itua ria igoti nene ria Naikuru ria kugiria honge cia thirikari kuheaga mawakiri kiumbe wira. Kiama kiu kia mawakiri guku bururi-ini nikio LSK kiugite ati itua riu ni ria kumagithia kiene na kumathutukania.
The government institutions do not have capacities. You can look, for example, the Office of the Data Commissioner. The Office of the Data Commissioner has a lot of mandate on enforcement of the data protection law, but it has less than 10 lawyers. There are cases across on violation of the data protection law. How would it be able to act when there are few lawyers? What Justice Samuel Mhoji has done without hearing people is to stop now procurement of these services where there was an ongoing process. Where the process has started, he has stopped it at the hilt of the process, and where services were procured, services were rendered, and an agreement on fees was rendered. Justice Mhoji says that payment cannot be effected, and that I think that is why the Law Society of Kenya is going to go to court. I had a conversation with the Vice President so as to challenge these orders. Personally also, together with our law firm and other law firms, we are preparing applications to go to court immediately so that we stop those orders, move to set them aside, and have the petition set aside, because the issue of procurement under the Public Procurement and Disposal Act of 2020 is a function of the Public Procurement Administrative Review Board and not the High Court.
Na tugithina mbere ni ati thirikari ni itanyitwo kuhuthira ciringi bilioni 15 hari kurehe fataraitha iguku bururi-ini ithenya-ini ria kugacirithia urimi. Na akiaria thutha wa kurekereria fataraitha mwena wa Mombatha, wandiki mukaru wa ngirigaca niwe Paul Rono ni ereire arimi ati magukorwo makiamukira fataraitha ino ya raithi ihinda-ini riria riagiriire.
Tangu hii serikali ianze tumetumia karibu 40 billion kusaidia wakulima ya kusambaza, kununua mbolea, kusubsidize mbolea na kusambaza. So wakati huu tunaona tena hiyo itaenda juu kwa sababu tayari tumesambaza mbolea karibu milioni 25 tangu tuanze, na itaenda karibu milioni 50 tukienda mbele kwa sababu wakulima wengi wamejiandikisha. So tunaona hiyo mpango ya bajeti itaenda juu, na tayari serikali wamepanga hii mwaka alone tunapanga karibu bilioni 15 ya kutumia kwa kununua na kusubsidize mbolea. Tumejipanga kwa wizara wa kilimo kuhakikisha kwamba wakulima wamepata mbolea wakati inavyotakikana. So hii mbolea yenye tumeanza kusambaza itafika karibu milioni 12.5 kwa sababu mwaka iliyopita tulisambaza mbolea milioni 10 kwa wakulima wa Kenya. Kuna wakulima wa kahawa, wakulima wa mahindi, wakulima wa majani chai na wale wakulima wengine. Lakini vile tumeanza na milioni 3 saa hii hapa Mombasa kusambazwa, tutaenda mpaka milioni 12.5 mwaka huu. Tuko hapa na KEBS na wamechunguza hii mbolea kuhakikisha kwamba the quality ni ile mzuri. Tumetoa wale wakora walikuwa wanatusumbua mwaka ile uchao ya zamani, lakini wakati huu tumekuja na kama serikali na nguvu kuhakikisha kwamba mbolea yenye wakulima wanapata ni mbolea mzuri.
Urimi ugitanyo kugacira tumurike riboti ingi kuria maabitha a borithi ni marutite mukana kuri aici a thimu aria makoretwo makiagagia muingi wa Uasin Gishu na giko kia ica ikuhi ni kuria mundu umwe arahoirwo thimu ni mikora niguo makikana makigwatia akwenda kuhura thimu no ifu cia turia ritho thimu irakorekio ni mikora yo. Nake kamanda wa borithi wa Eldoret niwe Benjamin Mwathi oho akiugite wici uyu wihiriirie kuona andu nginyaru maraforo mihuko na atumia magakorwo magiforo ifeti ciao matae kumenya.
Now Eldoret town the CBD hatuna reports za wizi ya simu. Ile tuko nazo ni mtu alikuwa anatembea, simu ikatolewa kwa mfuko, anashtukia ana hiyo simu, sile inachukuliwa robbery, ile ya kunyang'anywa. Ile ingine ni mtu anaambiwa nipatie simu yako nipige, alafu mtu anaenda akipika tu akisema hakuna network, anadanganya mwananchi ya kwamba niko na mgonjwa hospitali, nisaidie simu yako nipige niitishe, alafu anaenda tu akijifanya hakuna network, then anaama na hiyo simu. Those incidents kidogo ndio tunadeal nazo, and the Starbucks sub county wanaimanage. Maybe kwa slums zile zetu pia tuta deploy adequately. Actually we have deployed adequately kuhakikisha there is no mugging. Tumedeal na iko mahali ilikuwa inaitwa Patricia, mahali simu zilikuwa sikibiwa zinaletwa, na tumedismantle hiyo cartel. So our team is still very active on the ground kuhakikisha kwamba kama iko mahali ingine ambayo simu zinapelekwa watafuatilia na watakamatwa. But again at the same time tuna appeal kwa members of public, kama iko mahali wanajua pengine simu zinapelekwa, wezi wanaiba simu, kwa sababu hii watu wako kwa community. Kama iko nduka inapelekwa, iko kwa community. Kama iko mahali simu zinaflashwa, iko kwa community yako na majirani. Tuwe majirani ya kuhakikisha iko sheria na iko amani. Ni sisi sote tu as a team ya Uasin Gishu, everybody included, tutahakikisha kwamba Uasin Gishu is safe. Ni jukumu ya sisi sote, so let us take up the challenge, tuhakikishe where we are is safe, is us.
Na riboti igakora gituhe kanya kega uko tugikiria oro hanini ni turacokereria na riboti ingi.
ino ni ceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ewe ni wenderera we kawira kau gaku o investire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moke magukuwa indo ciaku ungika atia karongiambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma engineering system umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system ira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intrude alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya remote uguo wira ni muingi tawa gutinda kung'ang'ana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Nduka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD macamanĩrio-inĩ ma Kame na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Nduka yao ĩrĩ kũu Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Nduka ĩngĩ harĩa Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kũrĩa Kasarani ni harĩa Max Plaza kũng'ethanĩra na Kasarani police station. Ona kana no umacarie na thimũ 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 0793595959. Gitĩra wĩra waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma engineering system. Twaririe
Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Rwesambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kuigania na TRM. Kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703-164-003 0703-164-003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Ruoro rugitema koragwo wi wa mbere kumenya maria marahanika guko bururi-ini na nja wa itoka cia Kenya thiini wa tabarira ya gugithereruka ni kwambiriria thinashara kinyagia thaa 3 cia rucini o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia wa gatano. Joyce Wanjiru wa Mwangi mari hamwe na Francis Wairura magakurehera ndereti itiganite mathaa matatu ma kuhingura muthenya waku gathondekwo ukagira.
Ni wihariirie kwambatiria ikiro cia fanisha ciaku ukanogione kuhuthira fanisha ciakitwo na mumbira wa tene. Karibu Grandmark Furniture Hub. Guku tukwendagiria fanisha ciakitwo na mumbira wa kiriu na yo quality utangiona kungi. Guku Grandmark Hub tukuthondekagira indo cikurehera iri mweru na kugarura haria wikaraga to nyumba tu no nginya wabici. Kuma sofa cijo iria ciakitwo na mumbira wa kiriu na wa gugubacirira ati no wikarira mathaa maingi utakunoga. Naho hakurerera tugakunengereria modern dining table sets irakoe mucamo mweru wa kurianira na andu wendete. Turi na premium bed ni gitanda ogukoma weiganie toro. Twina stylish coffee tables, console tables, TV stands, side cabinets, fanisha cia WANJIRU itigaga aruti wira kuma kienda kuroko muthenya niguo maihurie kondo ka mbeca kumana na wagiriru wacio. Indo citu cithondeketwo na fabric cia goro iria ni njororo biũ na cia kuhenia na igakuhe service kwa ihinda iraya kuona ikoragwo ikuĩte kiraniro gitu kia ubi utari muthia tukareke fanisha citu cikwarĩrĩrie na kuheana rugano rwaku na niguo wĩonere ngũrani ya Grandmark na kwĩrahĩra fanisha cia kĩrĩu tucerere nyũmba-inĩ ya Heritage Plaza Utawala gũkũ Nairobi kana uhure namba ici 0710 228 oho tũrĩ na branch ĩngĩ mwena wa Kisii Town nyũmba-inĩ ya Magoma Pojo Plaza hakuhĩ na Quickmart Nchiro kana ũtũhũrĩre kũhĩtũkĩra 0797089048 kana ũtwethe kũhĩtũkĩra social media ciothe Grandmark Furniture Hub. Grandmark Furniture Hub, creativity and beyond.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Gatho ni guthii na mbere na gutucagura twagicokereria oro ringi na tugithii kana tumurike riboti itu kuria minister wa mai Eric Muga ni atigithitie wira mundu urahetwo kandarathi ya gugithondeka njira ya mai magiko kuria mwena wa Meru kona ndana uruta na kihinyo na Muga akiugite mundu ucio arahetwo kandarathi iyo mwaka wa 2019 no akoretwo ari muthayo kuona nginyagia riu gicunji kia 75 harĩ igana kia wĩra ũcio nikio gitigarite.
Na viongozi ambao kwa mitandao kila siku wanachokoza Meru sewerage. Tumeahidiwa. Imepanda ikashuka. Ule mradi niliupata ulianza mwaka wa 2021. Mimi nimekuja niko katika hii kazi mwaka moja. Nimesukuma, nimepanda, contractor asongi. Na nikatoka hapa, nikakutana na viongozi wa Meru na nikaenda kumuona rais kupitia Profesa Abraham Kithure Kindiki. Nikamwambia mji wetu kuu wa Meru sewerage imetusumbua. Contractor anafanya kazi pole pole. Ameishi 75, 76, 77% mwaka mzima. Tafadhali rais, ninaomba unikubali ule muradi niukatishe na nitafuta contractor mwingine ambaye ako na uwezo na ako na speed ya kufanya ile kazi na imalize. Tunapozungumza Disemba ambayo imepita, yule contractor nimemterminate kazi. Nimefanya nini? Nimemwachisha kazi. Nikamwachia line moja ambayo anafaa akamilishe by February. Hiyo kazi nyingine yote niko katika repackaging, niishikanishe vizuri, tutafute contractor mzuri amalize kazi yetu ya Meru wapi? Sewerage.
Na aramati maria maturigicĩirie ni maikĩte rĩta na kũrĩ arĩmi gũkorwo magĩtema mĩtĩ ya mĩbaũ ĩrĩa nĩ ũgwati kuona nĩ ĩracũngĩrĩria ũcenjia wa rĩera na kũringana na ndagĩtarĩ Flora Namu akiugĩte mĩtĩ ĩyo nĩ ĩracũngĩrĩria njũĩ na ndemu kũhwa maĩ na ĩkoretwo ĩkĩhandwo hatarĩ kĩharĩro ona thengia wa ũgwati wayo.
Sisi tumesoma nyingi kutoka kwako ile ujuzi ya uko nayo. Tumeshukuru sana umeweza. Specifically here as you can see, this is a wetland which has water declining, and one of the reasons the water is declining apart from climate change is because we have a lot of blue gums or eucalyptus trees. Now these trees are like pumps. They actually pump water from the underground, from this wetland, and if I may use the word literally, they drink it, and that's why they grow so fast as you see. Within a very short time they are fast growing. But the consequences of that is that they are draining water from our wetlands, from our rivers, and that's why you see like now our adjacent river, River Ragati, the water volume has gone very down. So we are here with community leaders. We have community members like this Mzee to show them you can remove eucalyptus and plant indigenous trees which has benefit to you. We have brought African olive, we have brought Meru oak to plant in this community as alternatives to eucalyptus. We are going to farmers and talking to them because sometimes they may not understand. So we are going to different groups. Like here in this, we have a group of farmers and this wetland, Riene, Gashero, and we are talking to them and planting trees with them and even translating. We have students who come from this local community who are able to translate this information even into the local language, and so that the farmer now understand they are not being forced to cut the trees, they are just being told to plant alternative, which is indigenous trees, which don't destroy the environment and also does not destroy their land, their soil health.
We came here to create awareness regarding the planting of indigenous trees over some of the water draining trees such as the eucalyptus and the blue gum. So today we came here, we brought some of them such as Meru oak. Also we have started planting them over here, and the main reason that we came here is that we want to promote environmental awareness on some of the trees that may be adopted by the community over the latest. As you all know, we have been trying to reach the 15 billion target trees, and today I'm sure we have gone a step forward.
Nĩ ngatho nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na gũtũcagũra no gũkinya hau twakinya tũgũkorwo tũgĩkĩra mohoro maya gaturumo no na cirĩkia kwĩhanda thaa ithatũ tũgũkorwo tũgĩcemania oro haha thiĩ na mbere na gũcagũra Kiheo TV. Njĩtagwo WAIRIMU wa Wanjiru, nake mũtwathĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko auma Sharon Mwarĩ wa Gĩcũhĩ. Thiĩ na mbere na kũgĩa na hwaĩ-inĩ mũhoreru.